Number one, no conviction, forget it. Ajay, where are you? He asked me yesterday, sir, how should I look for a CEO? I said, look for one quality, passion. Technology, commodity. Knowledge, Uncle Google. Right? Tuitions, Uncle Google. Everything, Uncle Google. I'm not from Punjab, I'm from Dharwad, but I lived in Punjab. Punjab mein ek word hai, jigra. Any Punjabis here, North Indians? You understand what jigra is, right? Sher dil. People who fought Rajputs, fought Mughals, go to Jodhpur, you have tears. By the way, before coming here, I spent a day at Hampi. I was crying at the end of the day. Such beautiful statues plundered. It's just now somebody showed me it's now rated world's #2 heritage site. Right? Yesterday, New York Times says Hampi. Oh, what culture destroyed, right? Passion. So startup guys, don't do it because of peer pressure. I walked out. Of course, I've protected myself materially. My monthly, next 2 years, I don't get any revenue, I'll still be alive. Only then I stepped out. But that's not the right way. I should have got out at 25. So Ritesh Agarwal at 21 years is a multi-billionaire. Facebook, Zuckerberg dropped out. He had a vision. Bill Gates dropped out. He had a vision. If you have a vision, your passion and commitment. Number two, character. No names here, but you and I read New Economic Times every day. There are people in London. There are people in jails. They've taken your 11,500 crores are gone. Very smart guys. Very smooth talkers. No character. You don't want your name to be on the Economic Times front line for wrong reasons. Is that right? So huge thing on character. If you do not come across as genuinely caring, not lipstick caring, not cosmetic caring, you cannot be a leader. If leader, you'll be a position leader by chair, not a born leader, not a authentic leader. And watch your lives. You will regard those people who cared for you, professionally and personally, and people who care for you. There are people here in this room who are role models for the students. Professor Maradian, how many students owe their success to him? And a lot of you seniors here, elders, respectful elders here, the people look up to you. You bore that character. You know, a bank executive is no more in a bank. That person won't be invited to any IIM Ahmedabad for a lecture. You just blew up. And now I'll quote something very public. You heard of Rajat Gupta? The McKinsey boss? Josho Hawas mein ek galati kar baitha. One call of 26 seconds. And he had to be jailed. McKinsey global head. Great guy. I worked with him, I met him. Super human being. IIT Delhi, PhD Harvard. Wow, I would love to grab that CV. One mistake, guys. Nature is ruthless. And sometimes if your luck is bad, some guys enjoy the luck. You could not be that. One episode, you're out of whack. The next 3 C's. Jigra. I don't think you should expect to be leader if you do not have courage. All the ladies who came here, my salutes to them. How they bore, ma'am is here, somebody, the lady who presented, Revati was here yesterday. Courage. Madam Rupa was here. Courage. It's called grace under pressure. Not taught at business schools. Not Bible in Lamington Road Market. Or an Apple store. It's right through Abhyas in Akaunteya. You have to do Abhyas. You have to work on it. You'll have coaches and mentors who will nudge you. You need a nudge. I need a nudge. Just a nudge. This session is about nudging. My mentoring yesterday was a nudge. They have to do it. No courage. You got to stand up for one's belief. And Rupa was a great example yesterday. From what she presented for what we've read. I'm only going by data that's present to me, right? Composure. Hey guys, mistake not. The times are so bad, bad news is hitting you day in and day out. One SAP, a lot of people are not checking. The deal has come or not. Has it got cancelled? Or a bad news from a family. Composure. Absolute poker-faced composure. Not poker-hearted, composure. Because if you as a leader get nervous, how will I get confidence from you? You're nervy, I'm edgy. Okay? And obviously, no substitute for competence. Good old stuff. So last few slides of my presentation. Guys, we all know what this is, right? Some years back, I was in the interview for IIM Ahmedabad, for IIMs. And there are academicians who know it. Those days there were 7 IIMs, average intake was 200. Ladies and gentlemen, 1400 students were in a percentile margin of 99.6 and 100. How brutal is that for intellectual horsepower? This year, some 10-15 guys have cracked 100 out of 100 in CAT on the toughest exams. Emotional quotient? Okay. Immediately your entire analysis is done through Facebook. So she will come and say, sir, you must take this person, sir. Why? Very God-fearing, sir. Why? Every day he posts, send Sai Baba message in 3 seconds, your life will be better. Or Lord Muruga or Lord Ganesh, all right? Extremely important out there for you too. But the last thing, I'm no spiritual Baba. There is a gentleman this afternoon, Mr. Jaggi Vasudev. I'm a good, normal human being, but huge spirituality within me. And that spirituality for business guys is called corporate governance. It's called ethics. It's called objectivity. So, if I may put it all together, a semblance of my PhD thesis, if you will, when I worked on my PhD. Your personal quotient, ladies and gentlemen, is of course a function of IQ. Oh man, to review the business standard economic times in 30 minutes, quickly grasp the trends and do it. Very important. You got to be sharp. Oh, these days, you better know what you need to do on emotional quotient. One light humor here. A colleague of mine handled a case, cocktail party, had drinks like we had yesterday. Young guy, dashing, Mehuna types. So he had put his girlfriend's name on his WhatsApp as Janu. And in an emotional way, he said, Janu, I miss you, can't live without you. Unfortunately, his boss's name is Jani. Jani, Guju guy. साहब 2 घूंट पीने के बाद कहाँ खबर रहा था Janu, miss you. Boss is sleeping at home with his wife next to him. She picks up the phone. Who is this lady in your life? Begum, kya ho gaya? You're having an affair? Who is this lady who's saying, I miss you? The guy puts on his specs. Real life quiz, okay? You know what happened to that kid? He lost his job. But that guy had a beautiful defense. When it became a case on a sexual harassment committee, because they had to be sacked, the committee said, sir, not my fault, sir. Why? Sir, you drink, sir? This guy says, no, I don't drink. That's the problem, sir. When you drink, you don't know what happens. Sir, there's no guilt in it, he says. And secondly, sir, my grandfather is also responsible for this. How your grandfather? So he had a very big thumb, sir. That big thumb has come to me, sir. So Janu ka Jani ho gaya, sir. Sorry, no offense, man. Social vary. How do you talk to a boss? How do you talk to a lady? Gender sensitivity. Very important. I won't name, you know it. A lot of people have jobbed shining careers for one Joshua Hawasme. One mistake, right? And lastly, yes, IQ is 240, 140. EQ, you very good, very smart, very aware, is 140. How much it is? 280. 280 into 0 is 960. Is that right? You got the message. You got the message. The multiplying factor is this amazing, authentic, solid guy. Very smart, very alert, great brain, great heart, but amazing soul. Very respectful, right? You will succeed. Extremely important. I wrote my thesis on this theme, one of the themes, because I did a lot of violations and business ethic violations across last 10 years in business case studies, how corporate houses have floundered money and have led people, you know what's been happening, right? Okay. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude, your re-architecting is about physically energized. Ladies and gentlemen, young guys, I want to narrate an episode. I'll name the person. The name is Mr. Moran, you would know him. His name is Mr. Victor Menezes, 70 batch IIT Bombay, 72 batch IIM Ahmedabad. He went on to become the vice chairman of Citicorp when I was with Citibank. I was a young guy. He sent me, hey Pramod, you're into this public speaking, check out my speech. He's invited to IIT Bombay, auditorium like this, undergrads with the gown and the hats, MSc grads, PhDs. He's a chief guest as an alumnus to give away the PhD degrees. And he starts his speech as follows. I still have that speech. Anyone who wants it, I'll forward it. So very authentic stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, wonderful to be back at Alma Mater. May I begin my speech by asking you all to brush your teeth twice every day. Hello, Vice Chairman Citicorp. No. I'm neither a dentist nor a Colgate-Palmolive salesman. What I'm trying to convey is IIT in 4 years given you an amazing horsepower which will last you 50 years. Will you have an engine to carry that amazing horsepower? What a message. What a message. So, yoga, alternative therapy, Ayurveda. If this guy is not good, I don't want to preach here. You know what health is, right? So, physical energy and today's work, travel 4 cities. One of the things I was having in my role was I was traveling 7 countries in 8 to 10 days, month on month, because I was in a sales business role, right? Not a desk role. It has no timely food. I like to keep myself fairly fit and fine. My exercises get messed up. All that stuff, right? So it's very important to be physically energized. Number 2, startup guys, entrepreneurs. If you're not emotionally connected, like the lady doctor who wants to do Ayurveda, I could see the emotion in her. I'm seeing Suchit who's sitting here. He said, I'm good, but I want to be better. Please read a book called, by Jim Collins, Good to Better. Good to Great, sorry. All of you are very good right now. You ask aspiration. You want to hit that next orbit, not the next degree, the next orbit. What does it take for you? One of the things is huge physical presence. Traveling 4 clients, getting the business. If you're down, you know what happens. Number 3, mentally focus. Oh boy. Do you have to read Mint, Economic Times, C4 TVs and see what's going on? You bet. Do you have an amazing CPU to grab the data, assimilate it, factor it, and take a decision? It's called informed, intelligent decisions. But if you have all these 3 and you miss the last one, you're 0. PQ is equal to IQ plus EQ into SQ, and that is if you're not spiritually centered. More authoritative figure in the afternoon will speak about it. I'm just a student in the game of my life. I'm a practicing meditator. I'm not a guru. I don't want to be one. But you're a guru for your kids. Each one, read a book called The Corporate Mystique by G. Hendricks. Read another book called by Gary Zukav, Harvard graduate who's now fully into spirituality, but in a very nice way. He's written a book called The Soul of the Soul. He's written 3 books. The Body of the Soul, The Mind of the Soul, and Soul of the Soul. And for couples, he's written a book called Spiritual Partnerships. How do you really have that amazing, awesome life, right? And the entire message of corporate governance, bankers, Basel Committee, Kotak Mahindra norms, the Kotak norms, what is it all about? The entire CBI thing, it's about, let's have a clean government here. Let's live a clean life, right? Otherwise, 3 steps forward, wow, and then 5 steps backward, net at your -2. I believe the heart of any problem, for all the digital stuff I spoke about, for all the high-tech that I work day in and day out, I believe the heart of any problem is a problem of the heart. Jigra, right? So I will not go into details. It has benefited me a lot. I'm not propagating it, but as a friend, when something good is going, if I'm getting an Apple Watch for 30% discount, I'll tell you, hey, go get there. In the same spirit, I would like you to visit www.heartfulness.org. It has prescribed a way to lead a balanced life in the material life, in the corporate life. You might want to have a peep into it and just do that, okay? Last slide. I was at a convocation as a chief guest. I didn't know how to give an address. I thought I was wearing a gown, only give certificates. They said, sir, thoda 15 minutes of speech. So I said, give me 5 minutes. I sat there as the audience was there, and I jotted down what came to my mind. I thought I should share that with you. Guys, amazing clarity, which means you have to be very relaxed in the throes of chaos and tsunami. Clarity se karenge kya? With that clarity, create, add value, push the envelope. So you have to have creativity. Second C. To do that, बहुत courage चाहिए. Everybody here yesterday, all the women, salutes. Only one word, courage. Right? If you see people who failed in life, in your own life, I have failed sometimes, is when I like the Sholay dialogue. Jo dar gaya, and go to my WhatsApp, if I send a message, my status message is 3 things. It came from here. No entitlement, no greed, no fear. What does no entitlement means? Boss, nothing for granted. Earn it, get it. Number 2, don't get too greedy. greed is different from aspiration. Because when greed overtakes fear, beginning of the end. And no fear. I came with a naked body, 6 feet 4 inches, all I would require. One day I'll go, leaving everything behind. Once you have that as your life script, in behavioral science it's called life script, I think you're okay. I don't have the slide. Your network is your net worth. Your network is your net worth. Pesa, BM3 to BM7, nobody loves you. I liked what somebody said yesterday. Likability. Do people like doing business with you? Become a likable person. Be a kind of person. Your Samudra Mahal 4,000 square feet house will come. In any case, you require one room with 6 by 4, right? And BMW 7 does the same thing that Maruti 800 does from point A to point B. A Mont Blanc pen does the same thing like a 10 rupees Camlin pen. So getting those fundas, so connect. And lastly, compassion. Mother Teresa, Bill Gates, philanthropy, Azim Premji, philanthropy. Sudha Murthy has resurrected an entire temple spending 5 crores in Lakshmeshwar. It's called Someshwar Temple. It was plundered. That lady is amazing. You can feel the goosebumps when you go there. What an historic art architecture destroyed. She's resurrected it. Compassion. And lastly, what are you without a heart? Right? Top of the heart is your heart. So are we ready to take on the world? I need a resounding wow or yes or whatever it is. Are we ready? Yes! Wow! That's it, ladies and gentlemen. It's been an amazing honor, and thank you all for this. This is a business session. It's not a, you don't need motivation. People here, super guys, have handled such trials and tribulation in their life, death, divorce, everything here, business loss. You're there already. Just a little nudge. So I'm not a motivational speaker. Business guy saying what's going on around the world, right? So before I sign off, one last, my favorite quote from Bullhe Shah. You know who's Bullhe Shah? Awesome stuff, which hit me here when I read it. I'm quoting it to you. Pad kitaba ilm da, tu naam rakh liya Qazi. I'll narrate it, then I'll translate it, those who can't get it. Pad kitaba ilm da, tu naam rakh liya Qazi. हथ विच तलवारा फड़ के तो नाम रख लिया गाजी. मक्का मदीना घूम आया तो नाम रख लिया हाजी. ओ बंदेया तू की हासिल किता जे रब नू ना रखिया राजी. For those who didn't get it, oh, you got that IITM degree, the PhD from Paris and all that. Great, you called us a scholar. Then you manipulated the mind, played dirty games and talked about the corner office. Hath which talwara is power. To naam rakh liya Ghazi. King Ghazni who plundered. Then a knock came in your life. He said, Makkah, Madina, Char Dham, Ankleshwar, this, that, if you go, to naam rakh liya Haji. Hajj written is called Haji. What the heck? What the heck did you achieve if you didn't keep your context happy? Your context is Rabb, God, immediate family, peers, children, spouses, employees. If you don't get to that, what did you achieve? Don't you think it's profound? With that, ladies and gentlemen,